Hello and welcome to Childcare Seer's onboarding video tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about everything related to the teacher tablet and classroom devices using Family Connection. When a teacher logs into her tablet, this is the page that she will see. On this page, it'll tell you the classroom name, the date and time. This three-dot menu here will disconnect the device, so it is very important to avoid this at all costs. But if you happen to disconnect, it's very easy to do at the front desk or using the kiosk if you have the permission to do that. It tells you your ratio, any messages that may need a reply, any current events happening, which right now it's outside time. Teachers that have the ability to log information on the tablet. It also tells you those teachers here under staff and the children currently in the room. Our blue Create button is how we add entries to Family Connection, so we'll get to that in just a moment. As default, you are always on your live status. In upcoming, you can see children who are supposed to be arriving in your center. It'll let you know if they're late. If they are absent for the day, they will not be in this upcoming list. When your current event will be ending, and the ability to end it for whatever reason, say it starts to rain while you're outside, you can end that event and go back inside. You can also see upcoming events such as meals and naps, and you can start those early as well. Also tells you when children and staff are anticipated to leave for the day based off of their schedule within Seer. You can always join teachers as well. Say that Miss Samantha comes in to start a lunch break. You can hit join and have her arrive earlier. Messaging is just that. It allows you to message families. To create a message, simply click on message. We're going to select all. The topic will be Testing Tuesday. And we're going to hit send. You also have the ability to add pictures to this message as well. The notebook feature allows you to have teacher-to-teacher communication only. Family members cannot see this, so it gives you that little bit of security rather than leaving notebooks or sticky notes around your room with confidential information. And your entries log, where you get to see all entries made for the day. Now let's go back to our live status. We see that the playground event is still happening. So let's go to Create, and we are going to add an activity. We're going to select both Emily and Jacob and hit continue. We're going to log circle time, and if you are using our activity planner, the descriptions for all activities are already entered in there, so it saves you time on having to type in all of the information. Comments. We're just going to say they had a fun time counting. You have the ability to add photos here. And click add, and you can see that it was successfully added to the daily journal. If you want to verify that these entries were made, simply go to your entries log and you can see that it is awaiting release here in the queue. If you go to the three-dot menu, you can click edit, and you can make any changes that you want to here. If you do make an edit, click the edit button. You can even deselect children and finish your text here if you forgot something. And it'll still be in the awaiting release queue. Let's go back to live status, and we're going to click on Emily's profile here from our page. We're going to go take a look at what her daily journal looks like. And you can see that it has when she checked in, what classroom, the food she ate, that she's healthy, in a good mood, and that she had circle time. As those activities that are logged leave the awaiting release queue. They will show up here in her daily journal. This is the same view that her parents will see at the end of the day or at any time checking in on their app or desktop device. Under the child's profile, you can also see her birthday, which is very important, any of her emergency contacts, family members, a summary of her schedule, her typical home class, any notes, and any communication log entries that may happen. At any time you need help, our help button is located down here in the left-hand corner. And yes, teachers can use this help button too. A member of our customer success team will be more than happy to help you with any questions you may have with navigating through your teacher device and family connection. As always, we thank you for being part of the Seer family, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.